Hello everyone, this is Sandian, Chinese Character Bible, Hanja Bible, uh, the character number 20. This character meaning bead or jade. All the lecture materials, the link is below. You can see. Yeah, on the index we are here now. This is the combination of two characters we have already looked at, meaning bead or jade. This character is 5 strokes, one of the radicals. Okay, same shape, Korean Hanja, Chinese traditional and simplified. In Korean language, we teach 구슬 옥 or 옥. 구슬 means bead. 옥 means jade. Chinese pronunciation with pinyin and tone. We, just like this, having tone number 4 value. Okay, the symbolic and signatory interpretation of this character is the precious stone symbolizing life given to the king by God was the jade. Okay, from the shape you cannot make this the meaning. So only the symbolic analysis and interpretation of this character with the combination of king and dot, yeah, is making bead or jade. The precious stone symbolizing life. Do you remember this character meaning life or light or God? Yeah. The precious stone symbolizing life given to the king. Yeah, king. By God was the jade, the precious stone. So the dictionary meaning of this character, bead, jade. That's beautiful, excellent. Yeah, what I going to do with bead or jade? It's, yeah, cultivate, cherish. The hidden meaning is important. Yeah, actually, when this character is being used independently, it means bead or jade. But when this character is used in other characters as a part of it, it means king. Okay, so in characters, king and bead or jade is same, even though their shapes are different from each other. And why this character is having tone number 4? The jade is a gift from God given to kings on the earth from up to down. So tone number 4. From up to down, a precious gift from sky or God. If you look at the Bible verse, and they saw the God of Israel, and there was under his feet as it were a paved walk of a sapphire stone. Sapphire stone is a kind of jade, the blue jade in this Bible verse, and in Korean language 이스라엘 하나님을 보니 그 발 아래에는 청옥을 편듯하고 하늘같이 청명하더라. So in this way, sapphire stone is also a kind of jade. Okay? So what do you think about this interpretation method, including the tone number principle and hidden meanings of this character? Okay, thank you very much for your listening to the end, and see you next time.